lot of balloons behind us.
We're winning the race.
Pretty cool landscape. That's the town of Gorham in the background. That's the pole.
There's the safety belts.
That's the sun coming over that little mountain cliff. Balloons. Lauren.
Look at how many people are in that one. Can you zoom in? There's probably 30 people in that basket.
One behind us has 75 people in their basket. Okay.